Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Light green color, blue color, red color, orange color. Let's learn some alphabets. A is for aeroplane, B is for baby, C is for chocolate, D is for dress. Blue color. A. A is for aeroplane. Red color. B. B is for baby. Light green color. C. C is for chocolate. Orange color. D. D is for days. Blue color. E. E is for eye. Red color. F. F is for friend. Light green color. G. G is for gorilla. Orange color. H. H is for hand. Blue color. I. I is for ice cream. Red color. J. J is for jellyfish. Light green color. K. K is for kangaroo. Orange color. L. L is for lion. Blue color. M. M is for mosquito. Red color. N. N is for nose. Light green color. O. O is for owl. Orange color. P. P is for pigeon. Blue color. Q. Q is for queen. Red color. R. R is for rose. Light green color. S. S is for school. Orange color. T. T is for teacher. Blue color. U. U is for umbrella. Red color. V. V is for vanilla. Light green color. W. W is for walk. Orange color. X. X is for Xerox. Blue color. Y. Y is for yak. red color. Z. Z is for zigzag.